In this video, we'll be demonstrating an example of face recognition and registration on Node-RED using the DeepStack framework. So we are going to begin with the face registration module. We will be using the inject node in order to import from the web an image of a face of a well-known football player, Lionel Messi, and we have set the image property to be the URL of the image. Next, we will be using the image node to receive the image from the web. We see that we will be receiving from the web the image property of the inject node inserted previously. We are not going to apply any function. We will be provide the output as buffer in order for the registration module to work, and we are going to set up the MSG payload property. Next, we are going to use the face registration module, which is this one over here, and we say that we have provided the details of the DeepStack server on NTUA premises with the IP of the NTUA server and the port it works. And last, we are going to use the debug node in order to demonstrate the results of the prediction. And we are going to show the output as a complete MSG object because the output is going to be multiple objects and not just one message. So let's see how it works. So this is the image of Messi, and we see that it was successfully updated. So next we'll be using the face recognition module. So in the same manner, we are going to use we're going to import an image from the web containing Messi and Ronaldo, and that's the URL which we have set up to the image property. Next, in the same way, we are going to receive the image from the web. We are not going to apply any function. We will be demonstrating the image received, and we are also going to use the face recognition module, beginning with the server of the NTUA, the details of the server, the IP and the port. And here we see that we have set up the confidence to be 70%, which means that someone is going to be correctly identified if the score of the prediction is higher than 70%. So let's see how it works. So that's the image containing Messi and Ronaldo. And those are the results of the prediction. We see that we have two objects. The first one is unknown, and that's Ronaldo because he was not registered, whereas the second object is going to be Lionel Messi with a confidence of 73%. So the system is highly confident that it is Lionel Messi.